Hi, Vanessa Donaldson here, your reset coach. Today I'm talking about nature breaks. So get ready, set, slow. Slow down. Don't rush. Take a break with me. Doing the van life has taught me the value and importance of getting back to nature. How can nature inspire, connect, and guide you? My inspiration comes from the Holy Bible. When you experience anxiety, read Hebrews 11, verse 1. Now faith is confidence in what we hope for, and assurance about what we do not see. Is it time to recharge your life? To continue our conversation, you can reach me at resetwithvanessa.com.